All right, we're jumping right into the solvent. All right, the record time for the girls' 50-meter freestyle swimming competition is 24.49 seconds. Kamala has been training and wants to swim the 50-meter freestyle in less time. What are some possible times Kamala would have to swim to break the current record? Solve this problem any way you choose. So go ahead and just start writing some times down. What I asked my in-class, or when I ran this lesson in person, I asked them to write down two different ways. So 2 times, just jot them down, that would beat this 24:49. So in order for her to beat the record, she has to go less than that, right? So I had students, they were like, what about 23 seconds? What about 21 seconds? One kid was like, what about 1 second? All of these would work, and all of these would beat that time. 1 second is just probably not realistic. I mean, nobody's going to swim across the pool in 1 second. All right, so just look at these swimmers we got here. This is Kamala's different times or different swimmers in the race. Did any of these swimmers beat the record? So we have one swimmer, 26:56. Did they beat the 24:49? No. What about this 25:14? It's not less. What about this 24:49? Would you beat the record if you tied the record? No. Okay, and then we've got 25:32. None of these swimmers beat the record, but that's okay. It's just getting us to look. Biggest one that was critical was here. What do we do if it's the exact same number, and how are we going to indicate that differently? And that's where something like greater than or less than or equal to would come into play. If it was an equal to, she wanted to get the record or better, then this person would have been on track to at least they got the record. They didn't do better, but they at least got it.